Is your car AC not performing well and requires cleaning? The ThreeBond 6721 car AC evaporator is an injection type cleaner for car air conditioner evaporator. It has antibacterial agents, it's easy to apply and is a natural deodorizer. To use, take off the car's box, then turn on the air fan and set to the highest. Shake the can well and fix the attached tube on the nozzle tightly and insert the tube to the air intake of the aircon. It can be injected from the air intake to clean the dust, mold, smoke, dirtiness and bacteria that are deposited to the evaporator. It deodorizes a bad smell given off by them and restores clean air. Run the fan continuously for about 10 minutes after injecting all amount of material. The waste liquid will flow from the drain after 5 minutes. Start the engine, turn on the air conditioner for about 15 minutes. Now, your AC should be working perfectly and cooling as it should. ThreeBond 6721 car AC cleaner is easy to apply, it removes bad smell, and there's no need to remove car cooling coil. Uses natural deodorizing and antibacterial agents and offers a deodorizing effect safely and effectively for a long time.